fly-by-wire or throttle cable. What am I saying? Cable throttle. Would you ever buy a bike? I'm pretty sure there are bikes now that are fly-by-wire, and they are not cable, but pretty much every bike that has been in the market are definitely cable because it's a proven method that guarantees reliability. Can you imagine if you crash and you can't get the sensor ready, or the sensor is fucked? Can you imagine you can't ride the bike, all because of that small little thing? But I would expect that bike to be really expensive. Probably you see on a Ducati, and the cost of it will probably be in the 30,000 mark, or at least late 20,000. Brand new, of course. But yeah, like I said, it's gonna be expensive, and I'm pretty sure that there are bikes that have that right now. Just that I can't think of any right now, and I'm pretty sure Ducati has that as well. But apart from that, would you actually dare to ride or buy a bike that's fly-by-wire? Obviously, if you're test riding and you're riding it without owning it, I'll probably say, why not? Because that bike would have to be legally and safe to be on the road in the first place for you to test ride, because you won't have bought it yet. So naturally everything has to be in working order. But by the time that you sign the paper and purchase the bike, who knows? And what's the warranty life is going to be on that one? You know what I mean? Plus, can you imagine the servicing that's going to be on that one? They're going to charge you an arm and a leg. Why? Because not many people does fly-by-wire. So you have to go back to the agent, which I don't know how much it's going to cost, but it's going to be a lot. But I can imagine the benefits of it. But how much benefits can you get from that anyway? What, a couple of grams lighter? But that's about it. The whole host of frustration and worry and bad things that's going to happen if you have failure in that, it's just not worth it, man. But that's just my opinion. As I said before, all that stuff, it's up to you guys. Your money, your life. If you want to buy it, buy it. But in any case, thanks for watching.